Hey guys, welcome to maths tutorial. In this video, we will simplify square root of 150. So let's start. At first, we will try to find all the factors of 150. So let's do it. Now look that 150 is an even number. So it will be definitely divisible by 2. Note that it is 2 times 75. So we will write it here. And now we will again try to find the factors of 75. Now note that the sum of 7 and 5, that is the digits of 75, is 12 and it is divisible by 3. So 75 will also be divisible by 3. So we will write it 2 times 3 times 25 as 3 times 25 is equal to 75. And again we will factorize 25 and we know that 25 is equal to 5 times 5. So here are the factors of 150, that is 2 times 3 times 5 times 5. And now we will take square root on the both sides, and that gives us square root of 150 is equal to square root of 2 times 3 times 5 times 5. And now we will write it as square root of 2 times 3 times square root of 5 times 5. Here we have used this formula, that is square root of a times b is equal to square root of a times square root of b. And here a is 2 times 3 and b is 5 times 5. Now look that in our first square root we have no perfect square. So we will keep it same. And in the second square root we have 2 5. So we will take 1 here and write it as 5. And now let's simplify it, and doing that we get square root of 6 times 5. That means 5 root 6. And this is the answer. Thank you for watching.